Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been going through Webflow.com to actually create a custom website, but you were actually wondering on how to actually add them product variants in Webflow in 2026. So we're gonna talk about this today in this small tutorial. We will see how to actually add them products, how to go through the variants, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. Then tap on the sync. It's gonna take you all the way to this new window where you should usually log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go back to the dashboard. So go all the way to the dashboard. As you see here, there is multiple options. So if you have this e-commerce section, you can basically just go all the way and check it. So we have this general, theme, plans, billing, apps and integrations, libraries and templates. We have marketplace, we have shared, we have libraries as well. So basically we have multiple options. Libraries and templates, general, workspace name, all sites. So here we're gonna go and look for these settings to make sure everything is looking good on our website. It will take some time to load. So make sure everything is looking good here. And we're gonna go all the way to actually access open in Webflow so we can access the products and every other detail. So here it is, it's loading. It's fully done. We're gonna go to pages here. So we're gonna go product templates. Okay, so we are on the product here. So for example, if you have multiple colors options, tap here, then it will open a new options, default checks. You can show all of them settings, get text color from products. Basically this is the product, get your image from product. You can even change whatever you want here, including the heading, product detail, price, and every other detail. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.